metamorphosis is synonymous to so many words. One is transformation, another one is change, another one is adaptation, another one can be evolution, and so on and so forth. Now, metamorphosis means change, a change within an organism from one stage to another. That is what metamorphosis is, and it's derived from the Greek word which means to transform. So when an organism moves from one stage to another, physical appearance actually, from one stage to another, we call it metamorphosis. Okay. Now, metamorphosis differs in different organisms. Metamorphosis differs in different organisms. There are actually 4 types of metamorphosis, but in this class, we'll be looking at just the 2 types. Okay, 2 main types. Now, these types include complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. Now, complete metamorphosis is known to go through 4 different stages, 4 different complete stages, which involve the egg stage, which transforms to become the larva stage. This larva is also is maggot in some organisms, and also caterpillar in some organisms. Okay. Now, this larva stage will transform to become the pupa, and the pupa will transform to become the adult. That's for complete. But look at incomplete. Incomplete means the English word incomplete. It is not complete, none of the 4 stages. Now, this incomplete goes from egg stage. Then the egg stage, instead of going through larva stage, it moves into the nymph stage. The nymph stage will now turn to adult stage. Now, if you look at these 2, you discover that one thing is this: complete metamorphosis is 4 stages, while incomplete is 3 stages. That's one difference. Another difference is the fact that there's larva in complete metamorphosis, and there's no larva stage in incomplete metamorphosis, meaning that incomplete metamorphosis doesn't produce larva. Okay. Now let's look at some organisms, insects in particular, that undergo metamorphosis, and let's try to see if they are complete or incomplete metamorphosis. Now let's look at the first one, which is the termites. Now let's count. We have the king stage, which is actually the adult stage. Okay. Now after the adult stage, we have the egg. So the adult lays the egg. That's stage 2. Now this egg turns to a nymph. That's stage 3. Now, if you look through, you see that there's no other metamorphosis. What you have there is all growth till it gets to the last part, which is the male and female wings shed. Okay. So meaning that termites undergo incomplete metamorphosis. So because they go through 3 stages. Okay. Now, next one, look at next organism, which is housefly. Now, if you look at housefly, let's count. We have the first stage, which is the adult fly. We have the egg stage. Then we have 1, 2, 3 stages for larva. So they have first level larva, first stage larva, second stage larva, third stage larva. Then we have the pupa. Okay, so meaning that housefly undergo complete metamorphosis. Now, majority of flies goes through complete metamorphosis. Okay, majority of flies, dragonfly, housefly, this fly, that fly, that fly. So they go through complete metamorphosis. Okay, so that's for housefly. Let's see another organism. This is another insect called mosquito. Now, mosquito, we know mosquito lay eggs in water. So see, let's count the stages first. We have the adult, we have the egg, we have the larva, and we have the pupa. So meaning that mosquito goes through complete metamorphosis because the stages are actually 4. Okay, so the mosquito lays egg, that the egg turns to larva. Now, if you look at his own larva, you see that his own larva is quite different from that of housefly and also the pupa. So because they live in water, they are going to adapt, and for them to adapt, they need to change some structures. So okay, so that's why I said change is synonymous to metamorphosis. Okay, so moving on, look at the next organism, the next insect, which is butterfly and moth. Now I put this together because there's a lot of issues when it comes to identifying the differences between a moth and a butterfly. So student tends to student tends to take moth to be butterfly, but they are not the same. This is respect the fact they are close species. Okay, so they carry out same process, same function, same thing like the butterfly, but they are not complete as in close. They are not the same actually. Now, how do you differentiate them? Look at the butterfly. Butterfly is full colored, is colored, okay, bright colored. But look at moth. Moth is dull colored. Okay. The next thing, look at the butterfly's antenna. Say the butterfly's antenna has a club-like shape. But look at the moth. Moth is woolly and short. Look at the shape of their wings. Butterfly, the wings is spread out, while the moth, it has a antenna-like wing. Okay, so these are the few simple differences. Also, moth, they operate at night. I think there's something about their nocturnal nature, also, and all of that. So that's the difference between the two. But the two of them undergo complete metamorphosis. So how do we come about the complete metamorphosis? Count the stages. There's always a larva and a pupa stage. So in the absence of a larva and a pupa stage, the metamorphosis becomes incomplete. But in the presence of a larva and a pupa stage, the metamorphosis becomes complete metamorphosis. So that is just a few clues that you need to understand when it comes to metamorphosis. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.